Permit me also, Madam Speaker, to ask this Honourable House to thank and applaud the approximately 37,000 healthcare workers in the public and private sector and our local, bilateral and multilateral partners for the hard work and sacrifice that they have made to protect all of us from this not so novel coronavirus.
I also use this opportunity to thank and pay maximum respect to our frontline workers who have worked so hard to keep us safe and healthy during this pandemic.
It is no secret that our frontline workers have been going beyond the call of duty during this pandemic and are much deserving of thanks and gratitude. It is for this reason we're in St. Anne to join the Island Village fraternity as they give back to some of these frontline heroes in the city.
Today we're treating frontline workers. So we've invited down key members of our community. We've invited down the members of the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, members from the St. Anne's Bay Police, and also the St. Anne's Bay Marine Police. We want to just give them basically a nice treat to tell them thank you for all the work that they do in our community. So we had the organizations choose the individuals specifically to come down and receive a little treat from us.
The Island Village Shopping Centre has over 30 tenants that come together to give their patrons much more than a shopping experience. On the premises, there's a private beach, a pool, splash pad for kids, eateries and duty-free shops. Today, a few of the tenants have come together to give these frontline workers the treat they deserve.
We have a number of sponsors. We have Margaritaville, who has sponsored food, Goodwill Jamaica / Island Village, who has sponsored some of the drinks. We also have a multiplicity of gift certificates from Trucker Adventures, Starbucks, Island Coffees, and also Island Flats.
We have some exciting stuff. We have some mini meatballs served with a marinara sauce. We also have chicken quesadilla. We have fish fingers. We have fish fritters, and of course we have some wings as well. So we have some great items on the menu. We can't thank them enough. This is really nothing. We really should do a lot more for them. These people are hardworking people, and they have been there when we are at our homes. They have been there serving us, trying to fight this pandemic to try to get us back to normal. And we just thought that it was more than necessary for us to play a role in showing our appreciation to these hardworking people.
Different from what I see every day, because every day we're on the wards. I know I get to see people, I see the beach over there. Can't swim, but I'm looking. I want to say many thanks. I mean, it's good to know that we are appreciated, especially in a time like this, where we are risking it all every single day at work. So this is a very good gesture, and we really appreciate it.
I think it's a very great gesture. You know, the food was nice. So on behalf of myself, the Ocherias Police, the Peace Step, and the Marine Police, thank you. So it was a very good day.
How can you give back to those in your community today? Whether it be a kind word or deed, the important thing is for you to show some gratitude to those everyday heroes among us who work hard to keep Jamaica and Jamaicans safe.